Welcome to a new video on our guide to how to learn to start selling online with WooCommerce. My name is Cal Evans. I'm a WordPress and PHP expert, and in this video we'll learn about coupons in WooCommerce. We'll learn about when you should use them and how you can create them. Before we start, just a quick reminder that you can download the PDF of this guide at the URL given in the description of this video. In it, you'll find a more detailed explanation on this topic, as well as the rest of the steps to start selling online. So, let's begin. Many of us have fond childhood memories of mom sitting at the kitchen table with the newspaper, clipping coupons before heading off to the store. These days, coupons are used for online purchases, and they're a great way to influence your customers' behavior. Used correctly, coupons can also help you increase the average cart value, sell products that are not moving as fast as you would like, or encourage users to try a new product or service. Misused though, coupons are simply a way for your customers to get your goods on the cheap. So, how do we use them correctly? Well, let's start with an example of the wrong practice of using coupons. I once had a friend in the marketing department of a major manufacturer of vacuum cleaners. To solve the problem of flagging sales, they began to send out coupons to their email list. These were generic 10% off anything in the store coupons. Since the marketing department saw a bump in sales when they sent one out, they began to do it more frequently. By the time my friend joined the department, they were sending out one each week. However, it was a different percentage, 10%, 15%, 25%, and then they'd repeat the cycle. It doesn't take long for your customers to see the pattern. Soon, sales were flat every week except the week that the 25% off coupon went out. The coupons weren't encouraging customers to buy more products and services. They were training customers to wait for the 25% coupon, which they knew was coming. So, avoid these kinds of practices and focus on the ones that we're going to see next. The proper way to use coupons is to help your customers get off the fence and buy. If you find that baby blue widgets are not selling as well as the other color groups, offer a 10% discount on baby blue widgets for a short time. Customers who take advantage of it may also be interested in other color widgets or accessories while they're purchasing the discounted baby blue widgets. Coupons are a scalpel, not a sledgehammer. Before you decide to provide a coupon, decide on what behavior you're trying to encourage in your customers, because they're a great way to encourage specific customers to make specific purchases. Let's create a coupon now in WooCommerce to see how easy it is. From your WordPress admin panel, navigate to Marketing and then Coupons, and then click on the Add Coupon button. Give the coupon a name. The name needs to be very descriptive. For instance, if it's 10% off any order, then of course 10% off works. However, if you're celebrating a special day, for instance New Year's Day, you may want your coupon to be I love New Year's Day. Whatever the name you give it, that's what the customer will type into the coupon code on the checkout page. Optionally, you can give your coupon a description. This is more for you to remember why you were issuing it. This is never shown to the customer. Select the type of coupon you're creating. In this example, we select Fixed Cart Discount. This will give our customers a 10% discount because it's New Year's Day. Enter 10 in the coupon amount. Enter January 2nd as the coupon expiry day. At this point, the coupon is valid as soon as we publish. If you only want it available on a specific day, for instance New Year's Day, you need to schedule it just like you schedule a post. On the right, you see the Publish button. Just above it is when the coupon will go live when you click the Publish button. Click Edit next to the date and time, and it allows you to set the date and time that the coupon goes live. Before that date and time, the coupon can't be used. Click Edit and select January 1st. Now, click the Usage Restrictions. Remember, coupons are less about driving sales and more about encouraging behavior. We don't want to give 10% discount on every order. We want to reward customers who buy a certain amount with a 10% coupon. Let's say they've got to spend $22 to get the discount going into the new year. So, enter 22 into the minimum spend field. The last section of the coupon is the Usage Limits tab. For your New Year's Day coupon, you want to set a per user limit to 1. This way, everybody in the world can use the coupon, but they can each only use it once. Once you have your coupon the way you want it, you can click on the Publish button to make it live. Congratulations! On New Year's Day, your customers will be able to save 10% if they spend $22 or more on your site. Used correctly, coupons can help encourage behaviors in your customers and increase your overall cart value. Some customers will come for the couponed item, but buy other things as well. Some will be buying anyhow, but will add the couponed item to their cart because you've offered it as a discount. Either way, you sell more. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you planning on using coupons on your online store? Do you have any preferred practices? Leave us a comment to let us know below. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you click on the subscribe button on your screen to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon also so that YouTube will notify you every time we release a new video. Finally, follow us on social media to stay updated about all the news, trending comments, and resources for successful website management that we share. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.